In this video, I want to share with you a Chinese New Year's niche for merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that Chinese New Year's niche, just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. And to be honest, the past couple of days have been kind of rough. Yesterday, did 31 sales, $20 in royalties. The day before that, 23 sales, only 15. I think I had like 7 returns that day, so that really hurt me. But that is going to put me for the month at 227 sales, $221. Now remember, the goal for this year is to have a month or several months of at least doing $5,000. So I got a lot of work ahead of me, but if it was easy, everybody would do it. Just gotta keep my head down and keep trucking away. I did have a good day yesterday on Etsy though, so that made me feel better. So yesterday, January 7th, had 4 sales, did $125 in royalties. Someone bought 4 mugs in one order, made like 50 bucks on that, so that was pretty cool. But if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So, I'm making videos now Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and the majority of the videos are going to be about like trending niches. So I was getting ready for today's video and I was through fine research, looking for some niches that I could share with you guys. And to be honest, I wasn't really able to find anything good or that I thought had potential. Really, the only things that are trending right now are like this Nola Strong, which is that terrorist event that happened on New Year's Day where the guy ran through the crowd on Bourbon Street. So we see a lot of those shirts, like this one right here, New Orleans Strong, and that's against Amazon's terms of service, human tragedy. And I'm also seeing a lot of these like football ones, like Mike Evans, which is also, or I would also recommend not doing that. Avoid doing anything with professional sports, because that can get you in trouble as well. So I wasn't really finding anything that had any potential. I did see this one though, the Chinese New Year of the snake. So that kind of caught my eye. I looked at it before and I was like, well, I think it's a little too competitive, but I thought maybe I can find some way to kind of niche down. So I went over to Merch Dominator, typed in Year of the Snake 2025. Just searching merch shirts, but we're going to see it's, in my opinion, it's way too competitive. I mean, just for merch shirts, I think there's already like 9,000 results. So I was like, okay, so how can I niche down? How can I cross niche? How can I find, how can I find something in this niche that's lower in competition? So I thought, well, what about the next year, 2026? And so I jumped on over to Google and I said, what Chinese animal year is 2026? And it's the year of the horse. This year's the year of the snake, but next year, 2026, it's going to be the year of the horse. And so I just popped that into Merch Dominator, Year of the Horse, 2026. And this niche could be really good. I actually almost didn't want to share it with you guys because I thought it was so good. But I'm trying to get my YouTube channel up, trying to get my subscribers up. So I figured I'd share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys will like this kind of content, find value, and subscribe. But right here, we're going to see, check this out. Year of the Horse. Where is it? There's only 51 results, all right, for Merch by Amazon shirts. And what's crazy is that this niche is already selling. Like, these already have BSRs. Now, some of them just have Year of the Horse, so they're kind of more like evergreen. So like this one right here, they have all the years. We can see it's got a BSR, and it was uploaded last year. But like this one right here, it has Year of the Horse with the year 2026, and it is selling. I mean, and this is a year away, so I thought that was kind of odd or kind of interesting. You see it was uploaded about 6 months ago. This one right here, Year of the Horse 2026, also selling with the BSR, and also uploaded last year. So this niche is super low in competition, and it is selling. And I remember 2 years ago, I think it was 2024, it was the Year of the Dragon. And I remember I got in early on that niche. And I actually did pretty well. Now for the Year of the Snake, I just kind of forgot about that one because I was just doing so many other niches. But if you can get some designs up early, get them ranked, get some reviews, you're going to have a good design that will be selling pretty much all year round. And if you can get, your design like at the top here for one of these big niches, look how good this niche is doing the Year of the Snake, the one that's too competitive. 48, 54, these are ridiculous BSRs. So, if you can get a design like this, you're going to be making some good money. Now, I did go ahead and make some designs for this niche, the Year of the Horse 2026, on IDEOGRAM. And here they are on my Creative Fabrica shop. So right here, I think they turned out pretty nice. So Year of the Horse 2026. This one's kind of a cute one, cartoonish with the big eyes, Year of the Horse 2026. And I also did this one as well. I made these using IDEOGRAM. If you're interested, I do have an affiliate link for IDEOGRAM in the description. Let's just go ahead and take a look at that. So right here, if you go to the description in this video, you'll see all the affiliate links that I offer. So right here, IDEOGRAM, if you click on this link, or if you sign up using my link, you get an additional 100 priority bonus prompts. So that's above and beyond. I have been getting a lot of people signing up using my link, so I just want to thank you for supporting me. And I also have prompts. So if you're into purchasing prompts, click on that first link. I have a whole bunch of prompts for a whole bunch of niches. Now, the ones that will probably make the most sense for right now for the time of year would be, 100 days of school. I think it might be a little too late, but we have St. Patrick's Day coming up. We have Mardi Gras Day coming up. We have Valentine's Day coming up. And then I also have some for like 100 prompts for March. So that's coming up in a couple months. I also have one for February as well. So right here, we're going to see February, right here, February. And if you click on any one of these thumbnails, and if you copy and paste this YouTube link into your browser, you can actually see what all the designs and the prompts look like. I'm only charging 10 cents a prompt. If you're into like evergreen niches, I have this one. Whoops, actually I got to go back again. I went ahead and I took 500 of prompts. So it's going to be all these ones right here. So the health, the career, the food, and the animal. I put them all together and made a bundle. And I made this package right here of 500 evergreen prompts for only $24.99. This one, it's only 5 cents a prompt. So if you're into getting a deal and you're into evergreen niches, definitely recommend you take a look at this. So those are the prompts that I have. Again, IDEOGRAM, already talked about that. Merch Dominator and Merch Research are affiliate links for these research tools. Now, I like to use both. All right. I probably say that I like Flying Research better for trending niches, but the reason why I like having Merch Dominator as well is because sometimes I'm able to find niches on Merch Dominator that Flying Research didn't have using these tabs right here, so seller trends and bestsellers. But really why I like it is because of this product search. The reason why I like this product search right here is because I'm able to see the competition very fast. I used to use something similar like this on Merch Informer, but for whatever reason that stopped working. So now I'm using Merch Dominator. They also have a really good plugin or extension, I mean. So if you're looking for a good extension, it does a whole bunch. This is a very complete Merch Dominator. The guy that made it, congrats to him. It does so much, but I just like Flying Research a little bit better for the trending niches. But you can check these out if you're interested. I have affiliate links for them both in the description. Next is going to be Merch Course. So this is a course that I made specifically for beginners. So if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, if you're like stuck in tier 10, or if you're in like the lower tiers making less than like $100 a month, and you just can't really figure out how to get sales, I would highly recommend that you check out this Merch by Amazon Masterclass, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $25. It's like over an hour of content, and I think you will get a lot of value from it. And then what else do we have here? Yeah, so Creative Fabrica. So if you want to sign up to Creative Fabrica, it's only like $3.99 a month. You get access to all of their designs. So you get all of my designs, everybody else's designs. You get fonts. Or if you just want to take a look at my shop, you can click on that link. And then I have an affiliate link for Pretty Merch, Everbee, and Printful. Now these are for Etsy. So if you are interested on signing up for Etsy, you definitely want to have Everbee for research. It's by far the best research tool in my opinion for Etsy. And then Printful, this is who I use for fulfilling all my t-shirts, mugs, and stickers. Those are basically the main 3 products that I sell on Merch by Amazon. All right, so that is the niche. I think it's a really good one, Year of the Horse. Like I said, if you can get in early, it's a year away, and this niche is already selling. It's already selling, and there's barely any competition. So go ahead, get your designs up, comment below, let me know what you guys think about this niche. Do you guys think it's good? Do you think it's too early? Do you think it's a total flop? Let me know. But I hope you guys are getting some sales. and I will see you guys on the next video. Next video will be on Friday. Hopefully have a good one for you with some good training niches, or maybe put out some prompts. I don't know. We'll see what I got. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.